Hello, and welcome to this video on 10 rules for making your first million. Many of us dream of achieving financial success, but it can be challenging to know where to start. In this video, we will cover 10 essential rules that can help you increase your chances of building wealth over time. So let's get started. Point number 1, set clear financial goals. The first rule for making your first million is to set clear financial goals. Define what you want to achieve and set specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound goals. By setting clear objectives, you can measure your progress and stay motivated to achieve your dreams. Point number 2, develop a budget. The second rule is to create a budget that tracks your income and expenses. Make sure to stick to it and avoid overspending on unnecessary items. Prioritize saving and investing your money to increase your wealth over time. Point number 3, live below your means. Living below your means is an essential rule for making your first million. Avoid overspending and prioritize saving and investing your money. By living below your means, you can increase your savings rate and invest your money in assets that generate long-term returns. Point number 4, invest in yourself. The fourth rule is to continuously invest in yourself by learning new skills, knowledge, and expertise. By acquiring new knowledge, you can increase your earning potential over time and achieve your financial goals faster. Point number 5, diversify your income streams. Diversifying your income streams is an essential rule for making your first million. Look for multiple sources of income, such as starting a side business, investing in stocks or real estate, or freelancing. By diversifying your income, you can reduce your risks and increase your earning potential. Point number 6, network and build relationships. Networking and building relationships is a critical rule for making your first million. Connect with people who can help you advance your career or business and build long-term relationships based on trust and mutual benefits. By networking and building relationships, you can increase your opportunities and open doors to new possibilities. Point number 7, take calculated risks. Taking calculated risks is an essential rule for making your first million. Be willing to take risks that have a reasonable chance of success, but also consider the potential downsides and have a backup plan in case things go wrong. By taking calculated risks, you can open up new opportunities and increase your earning potential. Point number 8, focus on long-term growth. Focusing on long-term growth is a critical rule for making your first million. Avoid short-term thinking and aim for sustainable growth that can create long-term value for yourself and your stakeholders. By focusing on long-term growth, you can create sustainable wealth and achieve your financial goals faster. Point number 9, embrace failure. Embracing failure is an essential rule for making your first million. Failure is a natural part of the learning process, and it can help you learn from your mistakes and improve your future results. By embracing failure, you can develop resilience and increase your chances of success over time. Point number 10, stay disciplined. Staying disciplined is the final rule for making your first million. Achieving financial success requires discipline, perseverance, and hard work. By staying disciplined, you can stay focused on your goals and achieve your dreams over time. So talk to the final conclusion part. Remember, building wealth takes time, effort, and perseverance, and there are no shortcuts to success. Stay disciplined, stay focused, and stay committed to your financial goals, and you will increase your chances of achieving your dreams over time. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you are a way nearer to your first million.